So today I am going to be preparing some fresh cherries that I got from the store. They're currently in season, so they're very cheap to get. I'm going to get them, I'm going to pit them, and I'm going to put them in the freezer for some nice cream later on. But really all I have is about 1 cup of fresh cherries. And I'm just going to take those out. And what I use to pit them is this straw. Now we got a set of these awesome stainless steel straws off of Amazon, and it came with actually 2 bubble tea straws just like this one, and one of them had this kind of edged end which works perfectly. I can leave the link to where we got these. They're super cheap, super good for the environment, and really helpful around the kitchen. And then I just have a plate with some parchment paper or wax paper that I'm going to put the cherries on. So the first thing we're going to do is take the cherry, destem them, and then next, it's pretty simple. We're just going to take this, insert this end right there. We're going to pop it through, just like that. And we do not have a pit anymore. Now you can just throw those right on there, put them right in the freezer. I'm going to do a couple more here, just like this. Kind of messy, but it definitely gets the job done. You can put the pits in there. And once you are done, you've got some great pitted cherries that are ready to go in the freezer and be prepared for nice cream. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super simple, quick and easy. If you have, hit the like button. If you have any questions, make sure you put them in the comment section below. And if you want to see more awesome whole food plant-based recipes just like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm Plant-Based Gabriel, and I'll see you guys very soon.